Because if you're starting out, you're probably going to spend, I don't know, $5, $10, $20, and you might not even get a sale. So then your first impression of ads is, well, it's a waste of money. But it's over time when you get the data, like you said, where you can optimize and you can actually become profitable. What do you say, or what would you say are like some of the most common misconceptions?
Well, you've kind of hit on it, is seeing it as a waste of money. The biggest problem that I see with people that are new to PPC or pay-per-click advertising is not seeing it as an investment. You're investing in the data that you're collecting, and what isn't working is just as valuable as finding out what is working, because you can now eliminate that. So it's not seeing that as a waste of money, that I just lit my money on fire because I didn't get any sales. You're not seeing that data as that investment, or as data itself. Okay, now you've eliminated what doesn't work, whether it's for this product, these search terms don't work, or this product isn't selling. That's useful data just as much as what is working. So I would say that's the biggest overall issue. And that kind of leads into a bunch of different, I guess, things that new advertisers make. It's just like, that's the overarching theme, is that they're not looking at this as an investment. So they're going to not invest enough into ads. They're going to turn off their advertising too soon before they collected enough data to even make a decision one way or another. And that's probably the worst mistake that you can possibly make, because you didn't get enough data to know if something's working. Let's say, you got 10 clicks on one search term for one product, and you just see, well, I just wasted $5 or $10 and I just lit that money on fire. You literally did, because you stopped it before you could determine whether that search term isn't even working. Maybe the next click would have been an order and you have no idea, and you literally threw that money away. So it's more about collecting enough data too, and it ties back to, again, not seeing that data as an investment.
If you enjoyed that clip, then click here to watch the full episode of Print on Demand Wisdom.